Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kele if you're seeing this face for the first time. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to do your brows. Like for someone who's never done their brows, yes, this is the video just for you. Stay tuned. I'm going to start with a spoolie just to brush up my brows. As I'm brushing my eyebrows, I'm brushing them upwards and not sideways. To grip my brows, I'll be using the hair wigs. I'm not going to use too much, just a little bit. And then again, I'll be brushing my eyebrows upwards and not sideways, as you can see. Secondly, I'll be using my loose powder just to dab a little bit on my brows. I'll be using my Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil to outline my brows. I'm just going to start from the middle of my eye towards the outer part of my eyebrows. I'm going to use this eyebrow pencil. I don't know what's the name of this brand, but this eyebrow is very cheap. I'm just going to use it to fill in my eyebrows. For defining my brows, I'll be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer and a flat brush. I'm going to use my spoolie again just to make sure that my brows are still in shape, and if I've used too much brow pencil, I use my spoolie to fade it out. On top of my brows, I'm not going to use my concealer, I'll be using my foundation. With my brush, I'm just going to brush off the excess concealer and use a little bit of loose powder just to set it in, and then I'm done. There it is, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.